Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 34 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is light, whatever that means to you. So I've got this light and I've got this light. Any kind of tag, and I've got this tag because it kind of goes with some of the colors. Paper that has a stain or is stained, and I've got some coffee dyed paper that I'm going to use for background. Sand or stone, I've got that, and it has both sand and stones. Something that starts with the letter P, and I've got pirate and parrot. And our bonus is stickers, and I've got a couple of stickers. I've got this fish, and I've got this seashell that I may use, or any of these. We'll just have to see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. I have it listed in my description box down below, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP34 to see what everyone else has made. It is so much fun to see what everyone comes up with the same prompts. Nothing is ever the same. No two alike. So without further ado, let's get started. here's week 34 finished. I've got my light, whatever that means to me, any kind of tag, and I've got this tag, and I just put my week 34 on there. Paper that has a stain or is stained, and I used my coffee dyed paper, and I also did a little stenciling on it. Sand or stone, I've got the stones that are here and the background here and the sand of the beach. Something that starts with the letter P, I've got pirate and parrot. And bonus is a sticker, and I ended up just using this fish. And these stickers do not want to stay stuck, but I do love them. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP34. And until next time, bye y'all.